CCS Property Services has launched its property repair services, providing you with a single source for repair and restoration expertise. This repair and restoration company specializes in addressing damages caused by events like fire or strong rains. It provides water damage restoration services to minimize damage and reduce losses due to broken supply lines and powerful storms. The company can also restore homes and structures damaged by fire and mold. It also offers odor elimination services using CDC-backed sanitation systems. CCS Property Services can help you with your water, mold or fire insurance claims. It also provides military, veteran, and senior citizen discounts. The company has built a solid relationship with home and business owners in Wisconsin and Upper Michigan. Find out more at ccsPPS.com.